Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lemonade for claims and policy management access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Lemonade for claims and policy management access, begin by visiting the Lemonade website. On the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Next, you'll be prompted to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your first and last name accurately. Select your date of birth from the provided drop-down menus. Choose your state of residence from the list. After completing the form, read through Lemonade's terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Access your email inbox and locate the verification message from Lemonade. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Lemonade platform. Log in using the email address and password you created earlier. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can view your policies and manage claims. For claims management, look for the Claims section. Follow the prompts to file a claim or track an existing one. Make sure to provide all required information to ensure a smooth claims process. You can return to the dashboard anytime to make changes to your policy or check claim status. Your Lemonade account is now set up for easy claims and policy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.